everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is basically showing you how to get freaking lash curling effects on your freaking lashes without an eyelash curler. You don't need one, so if you have one, don't worry about it. All you need is these little guys right here, two kinds of mascara, one that's for length, one that's for volume, and your fingers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you can get notified of all my future uploads. If you want to see how my lashes got this curly without a actual lash curler, then go ahead and keep watching. I used to use L'Oreal Telescopic, but ever since I've used this Thrive one, I've literally never gone back to anything else because it's so incredible. So I just use this and do my first coat of mascara. This is a fresh new tube, so let's see how it goes. You see with like one swipe what happened? It's like freaking incredible. And I just, from base to root, wiggle. This is like literally the best lengthening mascara I've ever used. And I flip the wand to the other side. One side done. Let's go to the other side. Alright, this is the lengthening mascara done. Let me put a little bit of this on my bottom. Very little. You like barely need to touch it. And there you go. And then you wait for the top part to get a little tacky, and then you'll go in with a volumizing one. You can use, I have here with me the Voluminous / Paradise. I also have this other one that's kind of older, but I bought a bunch because I used to love them. It's called the Colossal Spider Effect. I don't know if they sell this anymore. I don't see it in the drugstore anymore, but I bought a bunch because I loved it. This gives me a spidery look, so I like that, but if you don't, you could just use any kind of volumizing mascara like the Lash Paradise. So now that they're slightly tacky, you go in with this one. And then you can put, if you want, a little dab underneath. So then the next step is really just to wait. At this point, I'd probably, I don't know, do other parts of my makeup, whether it be blush or lap brows or something, or get dressed, or do something so it gets a little bit tacky, and then the magic fingers come in. Now I have an itch. I always get a weird itch on my nose, like this side. And then you feel around. So if you do that and you get a little bit of black on your fingers, that means it's not ready yet. It needs to be tacky to the point where it doesn't really leave much mascara on your finger. So it's dry enough but not dry. So just give it another minute. I need to get rid of this. Hold on. All right, I think we've given it like a minute or so. So now you take your magic weapons, which are your fingers, put your lashes, your fingers at the base of your lash. You kind of look down and push your fingers in a little bit, and then you hold. It's probably the most boring part, but honestly, you're going to be like thanking me in 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay. Holy moly. Look at that. And you guys, this really lasts like all day. It is freaking amazing. You guys, this like works. One of my girlfriends watched one of my videos that I had done this in, and she said it worked for her too, and I was so excited. So you guys have to try this. It's literally like a game changer. Look, my lashes are basically like, I'll just touch my eyebrows. See that? I mean, I have a lot of gaps, so not really, but like, you know what I mean. So this is the final result. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you can get notified of all my future uploads.